welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin. Under which section of the Factories Act 1948 is the term factory defined? Section 2K, Section 6, Section 3, Section 2M. The correct answer is option D, Section 2M. Recently, in the state of Goa and Anadas versus Namita Tripathi case, the Supreme Court ruled those activities such as washing, cleaning and dry cleaning fall within the definition of manufacturing process under the Factories Act 1948, even if they do not result in the creation of a new tangible product. The term factory is defined under Section 2M of the Factories Act 1948. Under which article of the Constitution of India is the right to freedom of speech and expression guaranteed? Article 21, Article 16, Article 14 or Article 19 1A? The correct answer is option D, Article 19 1A. Recently, in the Sharmina S versus Subdivisional Magistrate case, the Kerala High Court highlighted that individual liberty cannot be lightly curtailed based solely on registered crimes related to public demonstrations, emphasizing the constitutional rights under Article 19. Freedom of speech and expression is contained in Article 19 1A of the Constitution of India 1950. Under which section of the BNSS is the term injury defined? Section 2, subsection 12, Section 2, subsection 14, Section 3, subsection 2 or Section 6, subsection 1. The correct answer is option B. As per the Section 2, subsection 14 of the BNS, injury means any harm, whatever illegally caused to any person in body, mind, reputation or property. Under which section of the BNSS is the term judicial proceeding defined? Section 2, subsection K, Section 2, subsection M, Section 6 or Section 3? The correct answer is option A, Section 2, subsection K. As per the Section 2K of the BNSS, judicial proceeding includes any proceeding in the course of which evidence is or may be legally taken on oath. The statutory recognition of the principles of equity is not found in the Indian Contract Act 1872, Specific Relief Act 1877, Sale of Goods Act 1930 or Indian Succession Act 1925. The correct answer is option C. Statutory recognitions of the principles of equity are found in the Indian Contract Act 1872, the Specific Relief Act 1877, the Indian Trust Act 1882, the Transfer of Property Act 1882 and the Indian Succession Act 1925. Now it's time for the practice question. The change of the name of the obligation in a contract is known as rescission, novation, renovation or alteration. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.